Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 10 inch pre-primed canvas. And I am going to use some Anita's black metallic. And hopefully swipe down. This is Dazzling White Deco Art. Let's see if I have enough Rhapsody Rose left. I'd have to tip that side to side. It's Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Use some cerulean blue. Some Fandango. I'm going to put some tickled pink right on top of that Rhapsody Rose. Hoping that wasn't something that just went in there that I saw. But it was. And I got it. Now what else? Anything else? Saffron. And something, I think frozen. Pink Carnation, Dancing Fuchsia. Maybe a little Dancing Fuchsia just because. No. First some more Dazzling White. And then some Dancing Fuchsia. Maybe, maybe not. Definitely not without an adjustment. Which fortunately wasn't too hard. Now I've got some deep amethyst. I think I'm going to put it in here. And now it's time to decide what to swipe with. And I think it's going to be a playing card. Maybe not. Maybe this angled tool. I want some more black. This is a Mead and Black. Not a lot, but hopefully enough. The diagonal is hard to manage. I think that taught me the lesson I needed to know, which is to spread a little I need his black metallic. Maybe even use one of my silicone brushes. Should have thought of that. Really, I should have. Alright, let's try that again. Only this time I'm going to use a playing card or something that's not beveled. And I have something that's not beveled. There we go. As long as there aren't too many little paint Klingons. I do like the dancing fuchsia. That did turn out nicely. Thinking about orange for the next one. This is a nice stiff swipe card. I want a skewer. We'll see. I definitely enjoyed the dancing fuchsia first. I might swipe over those center sections too. Now if I'm right, having gone not quite to the edge, doing this ought to squish some paint over there. I should have tipped the canvas sideways. I made a mistake. I think I'm going to do what I just did again. But I might still pull that out. And use my residuals. Sort of a cluster. This is mostly to help things tilt down, I think. I need an edge catcher. So I'm back, and my problem child painting is dry, and there are some really neat aspects to it, but it doesn't make me happy 100%. So I've got some leftover colors from a painting I just did, and I'm going to add some greens and put some stems in, and I might do something with the flowers. This is Peacock. And I'll have to do something with my paint after this, too. Fortunately, I have another canvas. This is Fandango. And Triple Sec. Now, I've got some little scoops. I've got a dotting tool, which is just a mini nail art tool. Scoops are just folded. They're just cut into a block, scored with something sharp, folded, and then I scoop. Trying to clean the bottom off every time, but the paint's getting a little gloppy. I wait for it to relax a little bit, I get a bigger blob. Some of my favorite paintings started out as mistakes. Pick up some of the paint from the bottom. Put some little tendrils in. That's too much. I like the contrast. Wish I'd left myself a little more pink. But there's nothing to keep me from just adding it right in. Kind of like the idea of putting some at the top too. I keep thinking I want to add a little bit of gold. I'm not sure if I should dot. It's a risky thing to do. Now if I blow it out, it'll get wider. I could put some dancing fuchsia in there. Cell activator. I definitely like it better than I did before. blow that out too. Actually, first, I'm going to leave that up. Leave those down. But now I kind of like it a lot. Gardens are fun. Lots and lots of fun. I did lose a few cells. But I think that's it. Much better texture. Great colors. Almost dripped right in there. Got it on my fingers instead. There. Finito. I could probably play with this for a while longer, but I'm not going to. Yeah, that's really good. Saved another fail. I'm going to put a little more green over here though. Just enough red peeking through to make it truly interesting. Yeah, I've done things like this before. This is part of a series. A series of saved fails. Really good. I like it. Thanks for joining me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My created playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.